Check out this beautiful one-owner home. Starting with the impressive curb appeal as you approach the covered front porch, you'll be just as impressed as you enter the home. You'll find a formal living room and a family room, complete with a brick fireplace. It'll be perfect for hosting family and friends. Even better, the formal dining room allows plenty of space for hosting dinners. And the kitchen features a breakfast nook and ample cabinet space. Also located on the main level are 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Upstairs is home to an additional 2 bedrooms and a full bath, offering a nice even layout. Down in the full basement, the possibilities are endless. This space is ready to be finished and turned into the new hangout, or it could be used for extra storage. Sip your morning coffee on the patio as you overlook the private backyard. This home is in a great location, close to historic downtown Auburn. Come and check out all this home and area has to offer. Call Linda Carper to learn more.